Alright, I'm at my friend's studio down in Chichester, if you're in the area. Hey, Tia, how you doing? And I'm doing a little bit of jewellery making. First thing, I'm going to melt a bunch of silver and make myself a ring using Cuttlefish casting. I'm going to be making plectrums and bits and pieces. I feel the need for a solid gold plectrum in my near future, just for fun, why not? Alright, a bunch of silver scrap, including a half ingot that I've had for a long time, which I think might take some time to melt, but hey, what can you do? Hey. I blew the end off. Here's another end. Yeah! Sorry ladies. Did I hit anybody? That means I got less silver than I wanted. Find me another gram of silver. They must have been full spheres, I suppose. I'm so glad I was filming that. Yeah, check it in. There we go. Whoever won that medal, no, blood group O RH negative. That's a... I think RH neg is fairly rare, yeah. This is so cool. I kind of want some goggles, Miss Glasses wearing Tia, of Selkie jewellery. By the way, Tia didn't have any crucibles big enough for the amount of metal that I need to melt, so I've just hand carved this crucible out of a fire block before I could even get to my jewellery maker. I love my life. We good to go? Okay, so I'm going to keep it heat warmed up while also slowly warming up the I think.
Yes.
I've got a little fiery hot nipple on the end there.
It's worked a treat, didn't it?
Well, there we go.
You must be chuffed with that.
It's a lovely big old crucible for the next
Thank you very much.
chunk
Yes,
of
material.
your raw material. This is the first time I've ever actually melted and cast metal. So
Exciting times.
Yeah. Oh yes. Oh, I did the whole damn thing. So the end is still looking a mite warm. Look at that. Ah. Okay. Yeah, baby. I did a thing. So that's not actually red hot on the tip. It's oxidation as it's sort of hitting the S. So it is still warm to the touch, and if you push for a bit, you could hurt yourself. But that's cool. That's gonna make a nice ring. Time to anneal. Just soften it up because bending this is going to be a bit problematic. Lights off so we can see. Oh, look at that. Okay. Just found one of those balls that exploded. Look at that. Ha! When you've made something that just won't bend, you jury rig something up in a vise and use mechanical pressure and fix the curve later. The triangle shape didn't quite work once it's bent. It wasn't quite obvious enough, and obviously I miscalculated the sizing. But I mean, double it. Ah, the beginnings are super shiny. Oh my god, I just stamped something 925. Not quite as shiny inside as it needs to be. I'm going to have to finish that at home because, yeah. Well, there we go. I'm going to go home and my original plan was to leave the inside with sanding mark, with some of the cuttlefish marks. But I went a little bit crazy, so I've got most of them out. At home, I'm going to polish the rest out and get that all super nice. Look at that end. Hey. Yeah, not bad for my first ever ring. And, hey. Fun times. Tia, you need to come down and visit. We need to make some fun stuff.
Yes.
Done. That's actually quite comfy. I might set a stone in that. I'm saying that like it was my idea.